To all my loyal viewers, supporters, the ones that we are watching and now say nothing, no worry, still as soon. Love on the same way. To all my new subscribers, my potential subscribers, what are you waiting for? Click that notification bell. Up, the kitchen will get started and we have some nice things that go on in there. And for all of the people them way,
love them belly.
yeah man, the show will start.
Know that, no, brother?
Oh, welcome to another exciting, yes, and informative episode in my kitchen. Wonderful. Or should I say, yeah man. It's lockdown week number 2. And of course, I am where I love to be, in the kitchen. My family and I are coping well. Still have to go to work. But that's a part of the work. So I'm in the kitchen today. I'll be preparing for you garlic butter spaghetti. It will be so simple and easy. By the time you know it, done. So let's go right into it. Oh, before I go, I want to big up all my new subscribers and my potential subscribers. Oh, now wait, man. Click the bell, no man. Yeah, and to all my loyal viewers, my loyal supporters, and the ones that we are watching now say nothing, yeah, I'm still a sooner. So let's get right into it. Here I have some well boiling water, which I added some salt into it. Use a discretion when adding your salt, it's based on your taste preference. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my spaghetti to the boiling water. I'm not gonna break them. I'm just gonna place them in the pot like this, and as you can see, yeah, they're starting to soften. So I'm gonna allow them to soften some more before stirring them.
It sound right, boys.
Just gonna leave this to boil for roughly about 8 to 10 minutes until it's perfect, or in pasta term, al dente. Al dente is an Italian word used to describe pasta or rice that is cooked to be firm to the bite. Then I get right back to you. Okay, so now that our pasta has reached that al dente consistency, we have turned the stove off and we removed about a cup of the water or the broth from the pasta, and we are gonna now strain it. So I'm gonna add some of my extra virgin olive oil to my pot. Now just a small amount. That's good enough. And then you're gonna let it warm up a bit before adding just about 2 tablespoons of butter. It's time to add my butter. And I'm gonna allow the butter to melt.
It sound right, boys.
And after doing this, I'm gonna add my chopped garlic, and I'm using about 6 cloves of chopped garlic. You can use less. It all depends on how strong you want your garlic content to be in the meal. So garlic is added. I'm gonna stir fry it. It's smelling so wonderful. So I'm just gonna stir fry this for about 60 to 90 seconds before adding my broth or my spaghetti water, if you might call it that.
It sound right, boys.
Ensure that the flame is on medium to low heat. You don't want it too high to prevent the burning of the garlic. So it's time to add the pasta water or the broth. And this is added to bring that creaminess to the meal, or to the dish rather. Increase the flame to high and we're gonna leave it to simmer. Alright, so before adding our pasta, we kinda reduce our flame between medium to low, and here we have it. Add the pasta and then kind of infuse it gently so as to prevent the pasta from breaking apart.
It sound right, boy. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So the pasta lady has taken over and given me the camera. So I'm just on standby, video recording her while she mix and toss the pasta.
Because you were breaking my pasta. You're going to let this stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes and then you're done.
There we have it. Garlic butter spaghetti. And you can have this with practically anything that you want. We're gonna have this with some corned beef.
It sound right, boys.
Rather green peas.
Actually, I want the
So
corn.
you see what happens when you don't pay attention to what's going on in the kitchen.
Excuse me?
That's what happens.
As far as I'm concerned, I'm the one cooking.
Garlic butter
corn.
pasta. Smelling so good. There we have it.
When you're done, you can sprinkle some herbs or some parsley and you can eat it by itself. That's perfectly fine. You're done.
Thanks again for tuning into Lee's Kitchen. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell for any new content we drop. Yeah man. Alright, like, share, leave your comments below. Any questions or queries. Respect.